Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ah. Welcome around the world and welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome to Healthy G Mom. Healthy G Mom has been making almond milk. I do that maybe once every 2 weeks. I've been kind of greedy because I was supposed to show you guys this, but I drank all of it. So I'm going to show you another batch. I have a batch already, but this is almond milk. Look how empty it is. With dates, okay? Salute. So basically, there's 3 ingredients. It can be 2. Almond milk by itself with just almonds, right? You can just use plain old almonds. You soak them overnight. That's what I do. I soak my almonds overnight. You can soak them for 6 hours, and they end up plump. And then for me, I like my almond milk a little sweeter. I add some big, juicy dates. Okay? Dates just to me just make everything better. Okay? You can also add, I'm not going to open this one. I use the other one, a vanilla bean. So if you can, I get this from Costco. It comes in a tube, and these are vanilla beans that you can put in, or you can use some vanilla extract, Madagascar, right? Either way, this is organic, and I got this from Costco. I got a couple of them. They're pretty expensive. This is more expensive, the vanilla bean, but this is a lot of work. There's like 4 that's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This little tube here in LA was like $40, right? So it's sealed, but once you open it, you have to start using it, right? So today we're going to show you the little canister. I'm going to be making my almond milk. Let me start over. I normally make the almond milk in my Vitamix, which is an amazing high power blender, okay? But I always still have to use a nut bag, a strainer, right? Well, around Christmas, I got this incredible gift, which is called the Tribest, okay? Let me pull this just a little closer so you can see the name, right? It's by Tribest, B-E-S-T, right? It is an amazing little machine, really small, compact, with the little blender here. So you take the almond and the dates that I soaked overnight. So this is my almond and dates, right? That I soaked, and I put it in here and attach it. So basically, you slide it. See this? Right? You slide it here. And before you do that, you want to put some water inside the container, right? Add some fresh water, about half. Depends on how much milk you want. I'm greedy, so I'll use half of this bottle. This is like a 27 ounce of spring water, right? So I'll use actually a little bit more than half, right? So I use that, and then I will take the canister, the whole set, and I will slide it here. And if you can see, the light pops on, and you push, you set it to, you have 2 settings. There's hot, and then there's raw. And I'm doing raw. You hear that? That's when you know that it's working, right? Little gadget, little small little thing. But it does so you just push it a couple of times because I want it to get really grind. I want it to grind a lot, right? Grind a little fast. And so, I forgot to put the almond. I can put that in afterwards. Well, basically, the ingredients is almond, dates, and water, right? Let's see what it's coming to look like. It's already done. So, and with this little container, it comes with a little, oops, sorry, it's dripping. You see this? It holds it. It's a little groove inside, and you sit it inside, and look at that baby. It'll sit up, right? Sit up, and you can sit that in there, and look inside and see if you want to add any more. Look at that. Already milk. Remember, it was just nuts, water, right? But I'm going to add a dash of vanilla. So we have the almond, again, almonds, dates for the sweetener, and this gives you flavor. So if you like vanilla, woo, look at that. I'm a vanilla. I like vanilla ice cream. I love that. So vanilla date, just think of vanilla, dates, and almond. Oh my God. So I'm going to do it one more swirl. And then I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like. Look at that. Okay. And it moves. You see the light? That's when it knows that it's working. Okay. It's not all the way in. And boo. Okay. All right. And it's doing its thing. Ooh, ooh. Yes, indeed. My goodness. Okay. There it is. Okay, see? And that, it's kind of simple, right? And it comes out. You see that? So I just wanted to grind a little bit more, just so you guys can see it and hear it. And it's kind of, you can pick it up. It has its own little stand. You see that? Just really compact and nice. And we'll take out and let you guys see. Oh. So all that little draining stuff, you can put it right into this little container. And so whatever's left, I can take that milk. Let me show you. See, that's some milk that's dropped in there. I can take that and pour it in here. This will sit in the grooves. Look how nice and neat it sits, right? Just right in there. And look at this baby right here. Unplug it so you guys can see this. See this? And I'll put it in the remaining of my greediness, what I had earlier. And watch this, baby. Look at that. Huh? Can't tell me I can't make almond milk. Almond milk, nut milk. Look at that. Homemade nut milk that you make at home. And you put it in the refrigerator. Now, this is supposed to last for like maybe a week. But this will not last me a week. This will last me like 2-3 days. Because I make all kind of stuff with my almond milk. So I can use any kind of, you can put any kind of, with oats. I've seen people put oats in here. I've seen people put, I've used not walnuts. I've used coconut. The things that I've used so far was almonds. I use almonds all the time because I'm a favorite. I use coconut because I'm a favorite of coconut. And I use pistachios. So those are the 3 things that I've used so far. But I know you can get almonds, organic almonds. I got them from here in Los Angeles, California. There's Kroger's, or you can use Costco's, right? So try these at home. Oh, these are medjool dates, and they're pitted. And pitted means exactly this, that there's nothing inside. The seed is out, right? Medjool dates, and I'm quite sure to be in your city. Okay, you guys, try this at home. Try to do more things at home, so you'll know what's inside your things that you make. Again, water, almonds, and if you just want straight up just milk, then you can just have almonds and water, just almonds and water. But I like a little sweet effect to it, right? I like to go a little sweet, so I add my dates and my almond milk. Okay, guys, cheers, salute, have an amazing day. God bless. Ooh, God, we thank you. Much love and respect.